Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and merciful. I am your English teacher Asma Khurram. This lesson is for class 3. As usual, we start our class with a moral lesson. Our today's moral lesson is visible on your screen. It is sharing is caring. Say it aloud. Sharing is caring. Do you know what is sharing? Sharing means to give something to your friend or your brother or sister. If you share something with someone, it means you actually care for him. Sharing teaches us about the cooperation and compromise also. When you show care by sharing something, it creates a healthy and loving environment. And sharing doubles up the joys also. Now we move to our lesson. Today we are going to start our lesson number 3. The name of lesson is The Wise Father. We start our lesson from pre-reading. Our first pre-reading question is, what is the importance of family? Dear students, in your previous lesson you have read about the family and family values. We recall it. What is a family? Family is a group of people living together. It is visible on your screen also. You can read from here. Our today's question is, why family is important for us? Family is important for us because it provides us love, care and support. A family shares sorrows, joys and happiness together, and a family gives us confidence also. Our next pre-reading question is, why should we obey our elders? Dear students, we should obey our elders because our religion Islam teaches us to show respect to our elders. And whenever our elders guides us, we should obey them because it is always for our betterment. Whenever your elders are guiding you on some point, you should obey them because it is always for your betterment. Students, your father, your mother, your grandfather, your grandmother, they all are your elders and you should respect them. Now we move to our lesson, unit number 3. The name of lesson is The Wise Father. You can underline the word wise. Wise is an adjective here and father is a noun. Now we start the reading. Once upon a time there lived two brothers called Ali and Usman. How many brothers were there? There were two brothers. What were their names? Their names were Ali and Usman. Ali and Usman both are proper noun because it is the name of a special person. They were unidentical twins. It means it's quite strange that they were twins, but at the same time they were unidentical also. How can it be possible? It means they were same in their appearance, but they were entirely different in their habits. They were unidentical in their habits, their interests, their likes, dislikes were different from each other. Even their mother found it hard to distinguish between them. It was difficult also for their mother to differentiate between them. Their mother also found it hard and difficult to find any difference between them. However, they were two poles apart when it came to everything other than their appearance. Yes, I again read this line. However, they were two poles apart when it came to everything other than their appearance. When we talk about their habits and their appearance, there was no match. Their looks and their appearance was same, but their likes, dislikes were entirely different from each other. Yes, I am going to read the next line now. They neither agreed upon anything, nor did they live with peace. They always quarreled over small matters. Yes, they, Ali and Usman, were never agree on any point. Yes, they were never agree on any point. Always there was a quarrel, a fighting between them. Whenever there was any issue, they were soon out of control and started fighting. But student, it doesn't sound good. When we live together in a home, we should show tolerance. It's really a bad idea to raise issues over small problems. Everyone has a right to express his likes and dislikes in the home. It's a normal for siblings to disagree and argue, but we should show respect to their opinion. We should not start quarreling and fighting with each other. It's really a bad idea. Fighting is never a good point, never a good idea. It's never good to treat your brother and sisters with unkind words. We have to develop understanding and love to make the home happiest place. Yes, we have done the reading of this one paragraph. This one paragraph is available on your reading book, page number 18. Now we look at the difficult words which we have read in this one paragraph. First word is unidentical. Say with teacher, unidentical. Its meaning is not being same, totally different. Next word is distinguish, to mark a difference, to differentiate between two things. Next word is quarrel, argument, matters, situation, condition. Poles apart means have nothing in common, entirely different. As a grammar, now we look at the grammar. Here we have a verb found, agreed, quarrel, distinguished. Proper noun we have, yes, of course. Here two proper nouns are available, Ali and Usman. As a noun we have peace, appearance, matters. And an adjective is here, hard and unidentical. You can underline these words from your reading text and write down V for verb, N for proper noun, N for noun, and ADJ for adjectives. Now we come to recapitulation. First question is, how many brothers were there? There were 2 brothers. Yes. Next question is, were they identical in their habits too? Yes, as we have read in the unit that they were twins and they were having the same appearance. As you know, twins are mostly same in their looks and in their appearance, but their habits were also same. Were they identical in their habits? Yes, try to give me answer. Yes, they were unidentical in their habits. Their appearance was same, but they were unidentical in their habits. Last question is, how was their behavior with each other? Do you think they were friendly with each other? No, they were not. They were fighting always, having issues over small matters. But it's never a bad idea, it's never a good idea, it's always a bad idea to quarrel over small issues. Okay class, our this one lesson is over now. As a homework you have reading unit number 3, Wise Father, book page number 18. Do reading from this one page of from book and learn dictation words from which are available on your workbook page number 15. From workbook page number 15, you can learn your dictation words and write them also on your rough copies. Allah Hafiz.